Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you guys today. And today we are going to be talking about the Pursebop FROCK. And if you don't know what that is, stay tuned and I will tell you about it. Alright, so I had questioned myself whether or not I should make a video on this topic because I personally don't own a bag of which this item would be used for, but you know, I do love fashion, and you know, this is a product for fashion, and so I thought I would review it. And I can't really review it because I don't have the product in hand, but just from pictures that I have seen online, on Instagram, I think I have enough to form a, preliminary opinion. And I thought I would talk about this product in terms of form, function, price, and at the very end, I would either recommend it or not. Another reason why I hesitate to do this video is because the person who is behind these frocks, as they call them, is a very big influencer in Instagram, in fashion, and they are, a small business owner. And I am personally a small business owner myself, and I know how hard it is to just, get started, but also to continue. But with anything, especially in fashion, in art, criticism is what we need. As artists, I'm also an artist, and so, we all need criticism to be able to make things better and to, be successful. And that's just why I wanted to put this video out here. It's solely my opinion, of course, and yeah, I just wanted to talk about this product because it's a very interesting product. I will be putting some pictures here just so you guys can see them. Okay, so as far as, well, let's talk about the name to begin with, FROCK. So first of all, that is not a very cute word, frock, In the dictionary, it means a loose outer garment, which this is. It's basically a shirt for your bag. And in particular, it looks like they target Hermes Birkins and Kellys, but I think they only pretty much have Hermes Birkins used as the models for these frocks. Okay, now getting into form. At first glance, it does not look like this product is makes your bag usable as far as getting in and out of it very easily, because it pretty much covers most of the top of the bag, and you probably have to take off the shirt in order to get into the bag itself. And so that's one thing about this frock that maybe, or that is on the negative side of things. Now, this product, the frock, it looks like it is well made. I'll give them that. But with that, it is reminiscent of bedazzling from, I think this is from, like, bedazzling was popular in the 70s and 80s. And it is, it's 2018, and I think nowadays the things that are, more eye-appealing are, you know, if you want to put some decoration on your bags, you could put, you know, bag charms, you could put twillies on the handles, and you could even paint on the bag. I know there are some famous Instagram personalities. Boyard is one that paints beautiful pictures on Hermes bags, on, you know, any kinds of bags that just liven up a bag. The thing about painting a bag or putting embellishments on a bag is that you don't cover the bag up. Unfortunately, with this product, the Frock, you basically put a shirt on, you know, this bag, and so you can't really see the bag. And there have been pictures that I have seen that have, you know, crocodile Birkins covered up, and why would you want to cover up such a beautiful bag, you know? And so that's another negative part about this Pursebop Frock. And again, it's just my opinion. Okay, so the website does say that these are for, you know, Hermes bags, but they can also be used for other bags that are very similar. But of course, you know, the size and shape of these things, it might make it really hard to be able to use with other bags. And another thing with the form, as far as it looking very bedazzled, it's denim. And so one thing about denim, albeit on the outside of denim, it is dyed, and so the worry I would have with using this item would be bleeding of the dye from the frock onto the bag itself, especially if it is a light colored bag. Okay, so let's get on to, so I guess a positive aspect of this item is that it protects your bag, right? So if it's raining, if you accidentally bump your bag against the wall, it'll protect it from any scratches or anything. But, you know, nobody's gonna be able to see your bag again. So anyways, going on, now let's talk about the price point of these things. So there are 3 sizes, and currently there are 2 different styles, and I'm on my computer down here at the moment, and there are prices here, and I am on the Crystal Palace design, and the mini, which is 25 centimeters, or for a 25 centimeter bag, it comes at a price point of $1,725. The maxi, which is the medium size, comes in at $1,850. And finally there is the Royale, which is a 35 centimeter, and that comes up to a whopping $2,025. And it looks like it takes about 1 to 2 weeks to ship out. And so I'm not sure if these things are, you know, made and in storage, or if they have to be made with every single order. And so those prices are like, whew. You know, for that price, I would rather get a another bag, basically. So, and seriously, thousands of dollars for denim and sparkly crystals. It's like, you know, why don't you make a denim version that doesn't have any embellishments with the bedazzling, and maybe even sell that for like a couple $100s or something. I mean, that's just one idea that I have, because I'm just not into the whole bedazzling part of the design. Okay? Like I was saying before, you know, embellishing your bags with twillies or bag charms, I think that's nice because you can still see the bag. Now I have this product here that I showed in a previous video, and now this is technically not a bag. It is a toiletry pouch, and it is the toiletry pouch 26. And what I basically did was I took a off-white belt, and I wrapped it around, as you can see, and I also put a strap on this this toiletry pouch to make it basically a bag. Now with this, and I'm talking about the item itself, you can still see what it is. You can see that it's Louis Vuitton. You could also see that it is, you know, the shape of it. You could tell that it's a toiletry pouch 26. But with these Pursebop frocks, you can't really tell what is underneath it because, you know, you're basically covering the bag up. What else did I want to say about this? One thing that I also noticed was, and this is one reason why I want to put this video out there, is because there are other really big influencers on Instagram that are posting pictures of, you know, this item on their bags. And if you look at the comments, and now this is just for a few of them that I have seen personally, others have been leaving certain comments, and I'm talking about the bad comments. There are some people that are removing all the bad comments, and so when you first look at some of these, you know, pictures or whatever, you think that everybody is all for it, and they think that it's, you know, a really nice idea. But, you know, anyway, so yeah, so why remove all the negative comments? Because the negative comments are going to help you grow as a brand. And now, I'm not trying to put down this idea, but I am, you know, basically saying that I would not purchase this item for any of my bags, even if I had a Hermes Birkin, especially if I had an Hermes Birkin. Now, if I had a really dilapidated bag or something, even a really dilapidated Hermes Birkin is worth showing off, you know? And so those are basically my reasons for not recommending this product. Now, if it was... So another idea that I just had pop in my head right now was the Fendi Defender cover that is used for the mini peekaboo bags. Now that is a very cool idea because you basically buy this product, which I think costs $600, you put it on your bag. You can still tell that the bag is a peekaboo. You can tell what brand the bag is from. And you can basically get two bags, you know, and you don't have to purchase another bag just to make it look like another bag, if that makes any sense. Sorry, I just sort of went on a tangent on there. But anyway, so that is all I really wanted to talk about for this video. Again, it's not really bashing or anything like that. I just wanted to, you know, basically criticize or give my honest opinions about a new product that has come out in the fashion industry. So I'd really like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on this, and yeah, let's have a discussion going. And until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.